what better transition about talking about Africa
Mm-hmm.
to go into something like this?
Yeah.
An African safari jeep with a bazooka on it.
Yeah.
So this would be the African guerrilla, like guerrilla, like the guerrilla warfare scheme for this. I'm not sure what it is. Is it a land? It's a Toyota, I'm pretty sure.
Is it Toyota?
I'm not sure. But it's set in Africa. So let's go over the top. This is a model by AK Interactive. I'm just starting this off because we had such a good transition from someone being in Africa that's watching.
Mm-hmm.
This is a civilian military vehicle. So as you can see, it's a civilian chassis
Yeah.
that has been utilized by whatever guerrilla warfare army with a bazooka. And that's what you get in the kit.
Cool.
And there's been instances of this both in Iraq, Lebanon, and Africa. And then also you can build it as just like a civilian regular car in Italy.
Yeah.
So they obviously spotted one of these in Italy in 2010. So they're giving you a bunch of different options for that. So
Cool.
there you go. It's a pickup truck with a SPG-9 recoilless gun. Now, the plastic in the box, you're getting a lot of plastic, a lot of high quality plastic for this kit. All molded super, super fine and tight. Looks like we have some tray pieces and door cards.
Yeah.
All of the tires. Now, this is a new way of molding tires. I'm pretty sure that they're using, where you can get multiple tread. Otherwise, you basically get 5 different types of tires.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
For the whole vehicle. And then you got all of your different steel rims over this side. So really nice molded detail. There's many different types here that you can choose from of your steel rims. And then obviously underneath here, we've got suspension parts, sway bars, couple of grills, couple little pieces.
Yeah.
This is the bazooka kit, so that would be a separately that's like a separate model distributed by AK Interactive, and there's your decals. So I think that's the Safari decal for the cover on the seat.
Oh yeah, I can see. Yeah.
So on the cover of the seat, you have the zebra stripes. And you've got a couple other decals there for the dash and whatnot. And then you have more of your main body components. So you've got the floor pan, you've got the chassis, got the sides of the vehicle, differential, gearbox, everything underneath the car. Seats. There you go, on that big one. I wonder if there's like, I haven't actually even looked in this kit yet. So have a quick look. Here's the schemes. So that's your Italian red vehicle.
Yeah.
And then over here, what's this one? Lebanese People's Liberation Army from the 80s. So you can paint it up in that camouflage. That's what the other decals were for. That's obviously the symbol of the revolution whatever they were undertaking. And here we have the Iraq and the African schemes here. So really beautiful kit. We've got a couple of different ones of these in store. Across different varieties. Beautiful, nice colored pages by AK. Look at that. What do you think?
That's a lot of details in there, isn't
For a 35th scale car, absolutely.
Yeah.
Because 35th scale is smaller than 24. So
oh yeah, that's true.
That's the beauty of this, because you're basically getting a semi-civilian car. As you can see, you can build it civilian-like. And you can... It's in 35th scale, so you can pose it with the tank.
Yeah, that's what I want to say.
Yeah, that's right. Instead of having to like figure out how to do it in 24 scale, because there's not many figures in 24 scale that aren't just civilian.
Oh, yeah, that's
like
true.
Maybe you want a car on the street of a diorama. Yeah. All right.
Move to the next one. What's that?
This is Border Models T34 85. So this is the later model of T34. The reason we're going through all of this today is because we have just bought in these brands. So these brands haven't been seen in store before. AK Interactive kits, I don't think I've ever seen them in the time that I've worked here. Got some of those in, going to see how they go. They look phenomenal. That's why I got them in. That's what we just saw.
Mhm.
Border Models are a new,
Brand new.
brand new, pretty much brand new Chinese brand.
Oh, really?
I'm pretty sure. And they have really high quality models, which we're going to go through.
Mhm.
Tarkon we've had before.
Mhm.
We have a few Tarkoms on the shelf from before we did the order. But I've got some really niche stuff, and the price has seemed to go down
Oh, that's nice.
since last time. So I won't reveal prices. You can more than welcome to head to our website and look. But I was like surprised. I was surprised at how cheap they were for what they are. We'll get into that later. And then surprise announcement, that one in the corner. Let's have a look into the T34. So this is a fairly large 35th scale kit. You're going to get 5 figures, resin figures in the kit, a metal gun barrel, which is just insane.
That's it's
like an
crazy.
upgrade part. Workable tracks and suspension.
Really?
Yep. And that's about it. Some photo etch. When I say that's about it, that is phenomenal value for a kit like this. So here you have your tracks, workable tracks. They come in 2 styles. That's like a 2-piece track configuration. Yeah. Lovely hull texture on this one. Could obviously do with a little bit more. They always can, especially Soviet stuff. Here's your turret parts. And here we have a loose piece in there. These will be your resin figures. I won't take them out because they'll be pretty fragile, but they're all packaged individually in there. Polycaps. Polycaps are designed so that the suspension can work and you can pull your road wheels off.
Nice.
You have your metal barrel in here.
Oh, that's the metal. Yeah.
Metal barrels are great because they offer a level of detail that you can't really replicate with a plastic barrel. They're perfectly round and symmetrical. They have no like mold seams on them, and they're pretty much ready to go straight on the model. Prime it up with a bit of metal primer and then paint it up. So spare track links, you've got the metal springs for your working suspension, and here you have all your road wheels, suspension parts, all the hooks and whatnot. Photo etch. So that's your photo etch and your decals. So you're getting some of the red stars and whatnot in that. And your instruction manual. I wonder how many schemes you're getting in this. Looks like you're probably going to get about 3 or 4. I love it. Here's one of the schemes. And here's 2 of the others, I believe. So you've got a winter scheme, summer scheme in March. And one more scheme here. So you're getting quite a few schemes in there, which is nice and really easy to follow along instructions. Quite a simple kit.
I was about to say it looks pretty simple to assemble.
There's only 5 pages and a little bit of photo etch. Obviously take your time with that with super glue. And there we go. What should we do? How many have I got left? 1, 2, 3.
3.
Do you want to...
Will James?
Yeah, let's go get Will James.
Yeah,
I'll pack this up and I'll keep talking a little bit. We're going to bring Will James into the studio. Carl's going to head out for a minute. I'm going to pack this up. What are you most excited for? What do you want to see in Hearns Hobbies? We're trialing some new brands that I personally think are great. They have a high level of detail, very well talked about brands. This is something that has been in the works for a little while. Here it is.